cute.
Did it work? Was it cute?
It was.
I wish like. Okay. Anyway, welcome. House, but not quite townhouse. This is a townhouse. This is our first townhouse on this channel, people. It's a cute neighborhood. I like it. I think it's cute. Let's walk up to the door. Alright, let's get in. Two shades.
Nice.
Were you recording that?
Maybe.
Goodness. Alright. Okay, so I don't really like the color scheme so far. And the layout is kind of weird. The layout is really weird. Like the fireplace, like that's just like weird. Is that just me?
I mean,
I don't know. What is happening? I'm confused almost.
I mean, it's essentially just like one of those like double fireplaces, except it also has a front. It's a triple fireplace.
I guess I'm being weird then. So I guess this is the dining room. Wait, this isn't. That's the dining room.
Yeah, this is just part of the living room, I guess, or a sitting area, or just like an open space you can use.
So I do like the actual kitchen. I think this is an interesting shape, like for a kitchen. But like, I like it. Like the shape. What's going on here? I don't mind it. Kitchen is cool, nice and roomy space.
Deck.
Pantry. So like, it almost seems like they were going for like a gothic, slightly Victorian look here.
I mean, I think.
Cause like, look at the curtains, and then like the red.
I mean, I see, but
And like that fan.
a townhome is sort of similar to a house where you can like paint stuff and
Yeah.
alter stuff. So I mean, you could always repaint.
I mean, I know. I'm just referring to what I think the past owners were going for in this house. I actually really like that though. I think that that's pretty. I think I'll leave it. Okay. Downstairs or up?
I mean, downstairs is just going to be the garage.
Is it? You sure?
Yeah, I mean, I'm fairly sure.
Why is it carpeted?
To make it nice for the garage? I don't know.
Okay, so I think this is the garage, and then this is the bedroom down here. This has really high ceilings.
It is dingy.
Is this the chalk wall? I feel like
Yeah.
it is.
It is dark and dingy down here. Because there is only the one tiny little nothing of a window.
So, bathroom? Why does it feel like Grandpa lived down here or something?
With the chalk wall
Maybe that's true. But there was like
and the low hanging.
there was like a bar like in the shower to like help like get in and out of it. Like I don't know, I thought it was maybe the thing. It's cold down here. And then yeah.
I was thinking a little kid that lived down here just because.
A little kid? Yeah.
Or,
garage.
I mean, the reasoning for that is just because. Go.
Hey, don't fill my butt.
I'm not. But way to get that on camera. It's just very cramped down here, so the camera was getting like weird angles. Didn't want the viewers to get claustrophobic.
Hey, do you want me to do a townhome?
Babe,
What? Yes. Sorry. I'm sorry.
you're just moving very quickly.
Sorry.
Living room. And then there is also, because y'all probably missed it, a half bath right there and a closet right there as well.
Okay. Ooh, wait, we say half bath? Yeah. Ooh, that was loud. I did not mean to like echo that. Well, that's cool. They put like a little box around my toilet paper holder thingy.
Box.
Ooh, okay. I'm not mad at this. I kind of like how the door faces the same way. Oh, this room is so cute. I think this is the master.
Yeah.
This is a very me room. I like this room.
I mean, this color is very you.
I like this room a lot. Oh my gosh, in the bathroom. It's so cute. Look at this tub. This tub is like a good, like it's a nice tub. I want this house. I've decided I want this townhome for us. We're moving into this townhome in a month, babe. Yep.
Yeah, we already signed a contract with the new apartment complex, and
we can get our money back. I like the counters and like how white.
I don't think we can.
Ooh, and then look at this. Like the frame I meant. That like it was like a normal thing. I like this really a lot. And for some reason I like the curtains that like I'm here for the floofiness of it.
I guess. I don't like floofy stuff, but
I don't know, it fits. I'm here for it. I like the lighting in the room. Oh, I just like this room.
at least not when the space is small, because then floofy takes up space.
You know what? If I was
Closet.
living by myself, I would love this room. No offense, babe.
Thanks.
Bathroom, laundry room, then 2 bedrooms. Does it connect to the bathroom? Oh, okay, no. I thought it connected to the bathroom. That's just a closet.
Okay.
Why do they have wiring? Do they have a TV in there?
I mean, there's a TV mount right there.
Door, buddy? So this is a baby room?
I don't know. There's a lot of weird stuff in this house. Like, there's been a TV mount in every bedroom.
That's kind of sad. You just locking a kid in their room?
I mean, but I don't know. This house has had a lot of weird stuff in it.
And then a room. Okay.
Cute.
Thank you.
Just sprinting through this house.
Okay, I'm not trying to sprint.
I
through
mean,
that house.
it's fine.
I don't know. It's just a small house.
I know.
It's almost like viewing an apartment. Like, okay, cool. Living room, bedroom, bathroom.
I know. I'm just saying, usually, like, this takes longer. Usually we sit in a room and we talk, and like now we're like, next room.
I mean, if you want to show them how level they got this TV monitor, that's some quality content right there.
TV mount, but it's fine. Say it one more time and I'll believe you.
Okay, what are your thoughts on this house, babe? Let's go back down to the living room. The stairway is kind of dark.
It is. You need like brighter lights.
Or also don't paint it brown.
Yeah, that's fair.
I don't want to paint it the same blue as in that bathroom as that room, even though I like it.
I'd do like a whitish grayish color, personally.
I was almost thinking a lighter blue.
I don't like that the whole house is brown.
Yeah, it's not my favorite.
Like, I would prefer a much lighter color.
I really don't understand this. Like, this, like, just disrupts the whole, like, room for me. Like, I don't even understand how you would, like, set this up, especially, like, what this is supposed to be. But, like, if there is clearly, like, what I think is a formal dining room, is this supposed to be a breakfast nook? Like, is there supposed to be 2 tables? Like, what happens here? Someone explain this to me.
I would put my table there and I would put something else over there.
Put what there?
I don't know, pool table.
Because I like the table being over there more than I like over here, because like, I like the light in the windows. You want to go outside? I mean, there's not much to see. It's a deck with a parking spot underneath.
Yeah, I mean...
There we go. Come on out, folks. Oh, it's a decent sized deck.
You know, privacy barrier.
Honestly, I'm not mad at this deck. I feel like it's a decent size. You can have like a whole like sitting area, like patio furniture. I can have all my plants. Can you have a grill? I don't know if that's a thing that you can.
Yes, you can.
I didn't see that because I know that apartments you can't have like open fire next to the buildings, and I feel like townhouses have the same like mechanic. They're still like side by side buildings. So I don't know why you would be allowed to have a fireplace.
Because.
You know, whatever it's called.
Because.
Cool. I do like this house.
Mm-hmm.
I do like it. I could see us living in a townhouse. Not gonna lie.
You just want anything that's not an apartment.
I like having space. What do you want from me? Ooh, the downstairs could be my workout area. I could get like some gym equipment.
A home gym.
Yeah, downstairs can be a home gym. Upstairs can obviously be our bedroom, and then like maybe like an office. Do you want like we could both have our own office. If like that's what 2 bedrooms could be for.
Yeah, we
Anyway. could. Okay, I feel like I interrupted you. What were your thoughts on this house? I'm sorry.
I just don't like that the whole house is painted weird colors.
Yeah, that's
The whole house is very like specific colors.
yeah.
Like the kitchen's red, and the rest of the house is this like brown tan color, and then all the bedrooms are blue. I don't know. I would want to paint everything neutral and then throw some accents up here and there.
Mm-hmm.
Like everything, like a whitish, grayish, or like a really light tan. No, white. Only because the floors are like tan. I don't want the whole house to be tan.
Tan.
And then throw up some accent colors here and there.
I'm not in love with the countertop colors. Though, like, I don't like how like dark and brown it is. I don't mind it, but again, with the red that they've chosen to paint this kitchen with, the backsplash isn't my favorite. Okay, so honestly, so this is the actual house, not what the previous owners did to it, but the counters, the backsplash, and the cabinets. I don't like that they chose not very complementary things to each other. That, like, to me, the countertops and the counters match, but the backsplash does not.
I mean, to me, it reminds me of exactly what every apartment complex puts in.
And I know that your mom hates this backsplash.
Which is like
Just like
stuff
weird
that,
pink
like,
blush color.
On its own, each of them is individually nice, but you can't put them all together.
I wonder if there's, yeah. No? No lights? Is that what? Okay. I mean, this one turned on, but that's fine. I didn't want lights anyway. Oh, okay. There it goes. See, you're so smart. These must be like the outside kitchen or outside lights. Wall nipple.
Oh, is that?
Oh, okay. So this does get decent light. Like once you turn all the lights on,
Yeah.
dude. This townhouse
don't
could look
like-
so much more different than if it wasn't for how they painted it.
All the lights on. Like that's what we have to do in our current apartment, and I hate the like for it to be decently lit, get all lights on.
I mean, yeah, I don't. It's not my favorite thing either. But like at least like it does get decently lit. That is an option. That if you don't like how dark it is, turn the lights on. Whereas like in our apartment, you turn the lights on and it's still kind of dark. I know. But I mean, okay, did y'all see this fan and how like weird and interesting it looks? I don't know, just wanted to put that out there. Yeah, very much so. A lot of different styles. I'm not mad at the house itself, but it's not my favorite.
Nice three-way fireplace right here.
It's just gonna heat the whole room, I guess.
Yeah.
All right, babe.
What's that? Stand by the three-way fireplace.
Final thoughts.
I don't know. I mean, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's a townhouse.
I mean, that's kind of the.
All townhouses are kind of the same to me.
So, like, I think all townhouses, when done well, are always going to be pretty. That I always think that, like, townhouses are nice houses for the most part. Especially, like, modernly done ones. Like, I like the bathroom upstairs a lot. But,
I mean, even this one's pretty nicely done.
yeah, that's what I was saying. I think it's just, like, the personal touches that you add to it that make or break it, basically.
I don't know. I feel like we're not going to do a lot of townhouses just because townhouses have the same issue that I feel like that one house we went to has, which is like, it's fine. You know what I mean? You're
It's
not.
a townhouse, like neighborhood
not mad about
houses,
living.
community houses, basically.
Yeah, you're not mad about living here. You're okay living here, but also like if you got an option to live here or like out of anywhere in the world, like this would not be your choice.
I see that.
But if you had to live here, you'd be okay with that.
Yeah. What are y'all's thoughts? Let us know. I mean, it's a cool house. It's a townhouse. If y'all are looking for a townhouse, hit me up, I guess. But
hit you up specifically?
yeah, sure. I can put you in touch. I want to be a realtor. I might be a realtor one day. We'll see when I grow up.
When I grow
When
up.
I grow up,
like
yeah.
We're not in our 20s.
So, when I grow up, when I get older, when I mature.
So you finally admit you're not mature.
Thank you for shut up. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys think about this house, and we'll see you guys at the next video.